Math Lesson 65.
Thanks for joining us today for our math lesson. Everybody say hello. Hello. We'll begin with our meditation. We're going to think about our heart center. 2 fingers to find the heart center. Left hand on our lap and close our eyes. Very nice, friends. Feel for the boom boom in your heart center. And when you feel that, move your right hand down into your lap. Keep your eyes closed and keep thinking about your heart center. Let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and our last one, 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes. Slowly stand up, that's right. Slowly stand up, stretch your arms up high and stretch out all your fingers. Put your arms into a D and touch your toes. Come up halfway and swing your monkey arms. And you have 10 seconds to act like a monkey. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, more monkeys. No more monkeys, that's right. All the monkeys bump their head, they're gone. No more monkeys. Okay. Let's practice growing. Can you get into a small little ball? Yeah. Small little ball. And grow a little bit. Grow a little bit more. And grow. Very nice. Okay. Get into a small ball. Small ball. And grow a little bit. Grow a little bit more. And grow. Okay, last time. Small ball. Small ball. Small as you can. Grow a little bit. Grow a little bit more. And grow. Very nice, friends. Very nice. Let's clap 3 times. Spin 3 times. Jump 3 times. Take 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Okay, take 3 tiny steps. Do 3 tiny claps. Do 3 tiny spins. Tiny spins. And do 3 tiny jumps. Good, do 3 big jumps. Good job, take 3 big steps. Do 3 big claps. And do 3 big spins. Very nice. Let's practice some sentences. We're gonna do had fun. Had fun. Had fun. Good. Had fun. Very nice. Today we are having fun. Tomorrow we will have fun. Very nice. Had fun. Having fun. Will have fun. Very nice, my friends. Everybody take a seat. In this lesson, we're going to keep practicing different ways of measuring 2 objects. We'll look at our scale again, review lighter and heavier, and we're also going to start thinking about grams compared to kilograms and what we can use to measure in grams and what we measure in kilograms. So first we're going to review our PowerPoint and do a little bit of warm-up about measuring our lengths and distances with opposites. So let's have everybody stand up. Okay, so we're going to think about some of our measurement distances. What is this? What is this? Long. What's the opposite of long? What's the opposite of long? Short. Good job. What is the opposite of tall? Short. Everybody show me the opposite of short. What's the opposite of short? The opposite, not short, the opposite. Tall. Good job. What's the opposite of long? The opposite of long. It's short. Good job. What is the opposite of thin? What's the opposite of thin? Opposite of thin is what? Wide. Very nice. Good job. That's right. What is heavy? Show me heavy. What does heavy look like? Show me that you're picking up something heavy. Heavy. Oh, can you pick it up? Yeah. Our desk is heavy. Our desk is heavy. Show me how easy it is to pick up something light. Something light. It's easy, right? To pick up something light? Yeah. Very nice. Like a paper, or your pencil box, or your pencil. Those things are all very light. Good job. Or your tape. Yeah. Your ruler is light. Your pencil sharpener is light. It's easy to pick up your shirt. Yeah. That's right. Yeah. It's easy to pick up some hair. That's right. Okay. What is the opposite of light? What's the opposite of light? What's the opposite of light? One of them is dark, that's right. What about for weight? Something that's very heavy. Heavy is the opposite of light. So yeah, we have things that are heavy, very hard to pick up, and light are very easy to pick up. The same and sounds the same like the lights in our classroom. Yeah, very nice. Okay, friends, everybody can take a seat. We're going to think about, again at this lesson, weight. Weight. Weight means how heavy something is. And we're going to use our scale again. That's right. Our scale. We're going to practice with our scale. Is this a scale?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, it's a different kind of scale. Is this a scale?
No.
Do you think she's finding out how much she weighs?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a kind of scale. So all scales can look a little bit different, but they still are used to find out what different things weigh or how heavy they are. Like our scale that we made in the classroom, we have 2 cups and they move like this. Which is this? Is this heavier or lighter?
Heavier.
The one up high.
Lighter.
Yeah, the one up high on our scale will be lighter. What about down here?
Heavier.
This will be heavier. What if they're like this? Is this one heavier or lighter? What do you?
Heavier.
Up top.
Lighter.
Up top is always going to be lighter. What about on the bottom? On the bottom will always be heavier. So we have lighter, heavier. Everybody show me scale with your hands. Heavier.
Heavier.
Show me a lighter.
Lighter.
Lighter. Good job. What does it mean if our scale looks like this? Yeah, that they weigh the same, that they're equal. Good job. Very nice. Okay, let's take a look. Which thing is heavier? The suitcase?
Yes.
Or the tomatoes? The suitcase is heavier. It's more heavy. What about the tomatoes? Lighter? Yeah, they're lighter. Very nice. They're easy to pick up, right? Yeah. Yeah, they're easy to pick up. Which thing is heavier? The car. Yeah. 3 people pushing that car. What is this? Box. A box. Is that box heavy or light, do you think? Light. Yeah, it's easy to push. Easy to push or easy to pick up, we say it's light. If it's hard to push or hard to pick up, we say it's heavy. Everybody say heavy.
Heavy.
Heavier.
Heavier.
Light.
Light.
Lighter.
Lighter.
Good job. What is this? And what is this? What is this?
Desk.
A desk or a table. Which one is heavy?
Desk. Table.
The desk or the table. Which one is lighter?
Pencil.
The pencil. So we could say the pencil is lighter than the desk. Or we could say the desk is heavier than the pencil. Yeah. Ha, ha, heavy.
Ha, heavy.
La, light.
Light.
Very nice. What about this? Do you remember what this is called?
Feather.
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 Feather. Is a feather heavy or light?
Light.
Light. Yeah, it's heavy. What about these bricks? Are they heavy or light?
Heavy.
Yeah, they're heavy. They're heavy. So we could say the bricks are heavier than the feather, or the feather is lighter than the bricks. What about this flower? What do you think? Heavy or light?
Light.
Raise your hand if you think heavy.
Light.
Raise your hand if you think this flower is heavy.
No.
Think it's heavy? No, this flower is light. It's easy to pick up. It's easy to pick up. What about this tree? Can you pick up a tree?
No.
No, it's very heavy. The tree is heavy. What about the watermelon?
Heavy.
It's heavy. It's harder to pick up. It's hard to pick up. What's this?
Apple.
An apple. Is it easy to pick up an apple?
Light.
Yeah, it's pretty easy to pick up an apple. Can you do it with just one hand?
Yeah.
Or do you need two hands to pick up an apple? You can do it with one hand, so it's pretty light. That apple is pretty light. Do you remember what we call this? Scale. Good job. Scale. Scale. Good job. And a scale shows us if things are heavy or light. If we have a scale, which side is this? Is this side heavy or light on a scale? Is this side heavy or light on a scale? Light. What about this hand? Heavy or light? Heavy. What if my scale looks like this?
Equal.
They're equal. That's right. Yeah, the things that are up high are going to be light. The things that are down low are going to be heavy. Heavy. Light. Very nice. Let's take a look. Is our rock heavy or light? Is our feather heavy or light? Light. Good. So we can say the rock is heavier. Everybody say heavier. Heavier than our feather. And our feather is lighter. Lighter than our rock. Everybody show me with your hands on a scale. Lighter. Heavier. Switch hands. Lighter. Heavier. Lighter. Heavier. Good job. Good job. Is the pencil or the table heavier? Which one's heavier? The desk or the table. Which one is lighter? The pencil. Good job, friends. The pencil is lighter. The table is heavier. Very good. What are these two things? A fridge.
And
A pillow. Is it easy to pick up a pillow?
Yes.
Is it easy to pick up a refrigerator or a fridge?
No.
No, it's very hard to pick that up.
3.
So is the fridge heavier than the pillow?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Heavier.
It's heavier. Yeah, it's very hard to pick up. Is the pillow heavier or lighter than the fridge? Lighter. Yeah, it's easy to pick up a pillow. It's very hard to pick up a fridge. So our fridge is heavier. Our pillow is lighter. What are these two things?
Sofa and ruler.
A sofa and a ruler. Everybody pick up your ruler.
Middle.
Pick up your ruler. Is that easy to do? Was that easy or was that hard?
Easy.
Was it easy or hard to pick up your ruler? It's easy. Do you think it would be easy to pick up a sofa? No, I think it would be very hard to pick up that sofa. Or the table. Yeah, you would need a couple people to pick that up. So is the sofa or the ruler heavier?
Heavier.
Which one is heavier, the sofa or the ruler?
Sofa.
The sofa. Which one's lighter?
Ruler.
The ruler is lighter. It's easier to pick up. It's easier to pick up. So we say our sofa is heavier.
Heavier.
Show me with your hands. Heavier.
Heavier.
And our ruler is what?
Lighter.
Lighter. Yeah, lighter. Good job. What is this?
Computer.
Computer. And a screw.
Screw.
A screw that is used for buildings, like on our doors or our windows.
Computer.
Is a computer heavier or lighter?
Heavier.
It's heavier. Yeah, there's a screw right there on our wall. Is the screw lighter or heavier?
Lighter.
It's lighter. Everybody say la, la, lighter. Lighter. Good job, friends. What are these two animals?
Elephant and bird.
The bird's heavier, right?
No.
Who's heavier?
Elephant.
The elephant's heavier. Could you pick up an elephant? No. No, it's too big. It's too heavy. Could you pick up a baby elephant?
Yeah.
I don't know. They're still pretty heavy. Heavier. So our elephant is heavier. What about our bird? Is our bird lighter or heavier than the elephant? Yeah, it's lighter. It's lighter. Lighter.
Lighter.
Good job. Heavier.
Heavier.
Very nice. Is the book or the paperclip heavier? Book. Which one is lighter? Yeah, the paperclip is lighter. Very nice. Very nice. Show me on your scale equals.
Equal.
Show me what it looks like when your right hand is heavier. Show me what it looks like when your left hand is heavier. Right hand is heavier. Left hand is heavier. Equals. Right hand is heavier. Equals. Left hand is heavier. What about when they're the same? What does that mean? Equals. Good job, friends. We're going to take a look at our grams and kilograms PowerPoint next. Good. We're going to talk about grams,
And
grams,
grams
and
kilograms.
kilograms. Kilograms.
Kilograms.
Very nice. So when we talk about grams, what do you think? Do you think a gram is very heavy?
No. Yeah.
We're going to find out. Do you think a kilogram is very heavy?
Yeah. No.
We're going to find out. Let's take a look and see.
No.
What is this? Feather. This thing is a feather.
Feather.
What kind of animals have feathers?
Chicken.
A chicken? Birds, yeah. Ducks? Yeah. Ducks have feathers. Chickens have feathers. All kinds of birds have feathers. Do babies have feathers? No. So a feather, is it heavy or light? What do you think? Is a feather heavy or light? Yeah, it's really light. It's really light. So when something is very, very light, we measure it with grams. We measure it with grams. What about this sofa? What do you think? Heavy or light? Heavy. When something is heavy, do you think we measure it with grams? Do you think we measure it with grams?
No.
What do you think we could measure it with? That's right, we can measure it with kilograms. Kilograms. Yeah, it would take so many grams to figure out how heavy this sofa is, so we use kilograms. We use kilograms. How many grams do you think are in 1 kilogram? 2? 100? Good guess. 10? That's a good guess. 200? Those are all good guesses. Well, I think 1,000. Let's find out. What number is that? 1,000. There are 1,000 grams in just 1 kilogram. Is that a lot of grams? Yeah. There are 1,000 grams in just 1 kilogram. Just 1 kilogram has 1,000 grams. So a gram is very, very light, and a kilogram is heavy. Kilogram is very heavy. What about this elephant? Do you think he's heavy? Yeah. Should we measure him with grams or kilograms? Kilograms, yeah, because he's very, very heavy. We only use grams to measure things that are very, very light. That are very light. Like, what is this? Mouse. Is a mouse very heavy? No, it's pretty light, right? Yeah. So we could measure a mouse in grams because he's very light. We could also measure a feather with grams, or maybe some clothing with grams, like a shirt, I don't know. What is this? A rock. What should we use to measure a rock? Grams or kilograms? What do you think? Grams. Well, we want to use grams if something is very, very light. If something is heavy, we want to use kilograms. Grams. So what do you think about this rock? Is a rock very, very light, like a feather? Or a mouse? No. Think about the rocks we used in our other lesson. Were they heavier than a feather? Yeah, Nadia's was the heaviest one. Do you think those rocks were heavier than a mouse?
No.
I think they were. Yeah. A mouse is pretty light. So when we're measuring things that are heavy, we use kilograms. So I think for a rock, I think we'd probably want to use a kilogram. Yeah, kilogram. What about this guy? What's this? An ant. Should we measure this ant with kilograms or grams? What do you think? Which one do you think? What do you say? I think grams. Is an ant very heavy?
Not heavy.
No. Is it light?
Light.
Is it very light?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very light. Can you feel how much an ant weighs?
Yeah.
I usually only feel it if it's crawling on me, right?
Yeah.
But I don't feel it sitting on my hand the way I could feel a puppy in my hand or another animal in my hand, like a kitten. So an ant is so light, I think we could measure that in grams. What's this?
Whale.
A whale. What do you think we should measure the whale with? Grams or kilograms? Raise your hand if you think grams. Raise your hand if you think kilograms. Yeah, the whale is very heavy. We probably should measure him with kilograms. That's a good guess. Yeah, 2,000. 2,000. Grams or kilograms? Kilogram. Remember, we want to use kilograms because he's very, very heavy. He's very heavy. What's this? A comb. Is a comb very light or very heavy? Very light. Yeah, should we measure this comb with kilograms or grams? Yeah, we can measure it with grams because it's very, very light. We only need kilograms for things that are heavy. Things that are very, very, very light, we can just use grams. Just grams. What about this leaf? What do you think? Is it heavy or light? What do you think? Light. Should we use kilograms or grams to measure this? Yeah, I think we could measure this leaf in grams because it's very light. Yeah, it's probably not very many grams at all. What is this? A tree, yeah. And you think kilograms? It looks like a coconut tree. Should we measure this tree with grams? Grams or kilograms? Why? Yeah, we should measure it with kilograms. Yeah, because it's very, very heavy. It's very heavy, so we should measure those things in kilograms. Things that are very big, things that are even kind of big. Only things that are very, very, very light we use grams for. Yeah. We only use grams for things that are very, 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 very light. So things that are light, what do we use? What do we use to measure things that are very light? What do we use to measure things that are very light? Do we use kilograms? What do we use? Yeah, we use grams to measure things that are very, very light. What about things that are heavy? What do we use?
1,000.
What do we use to measure things that are heavy? Kilograms. Very nice. Very nice. So when we are measuring something, we want to think about how many grams or how many kilograms they are. Okay, because some things that are heavy, we use kilograms. If there's things that are very, very light, we use grams. We're going to talk about the difference between grams and kilograms. Which one do we use to measure heavy things? Grams or kilograms?
Kilogram.
Kilograms. Which one do we measure to measure light things?
Gram.
Grams. Good job. What is this?
Paperclip.
Paperclip. Should I use grams or kilograms?
Gram.
Grams. Do you think this is very heavy?
No.
No.
Gram.
Feel this paperclip. Feel this paperclip. And we're gonna just pass them around and share with your friends. Feel that paperclip. Once you feel it, pass it to your neighbor.
Teacher and Nadia.
Once you feel it, pass it to your neighbor. Pass it this way.
Yes.
Pass it this way. Once you feel that,
Me.
pass it to your neighbor.
Me.
Carl's gonna pass it to you to feel that paperclip. Feel this paperclip. Just share it around with your friends. Is it heavy or light? Is it heavy or light? Is it heavy or light? Guys, heavy or light? Okay, very nice. Very nice. This paperclip weighs about 1 gram. That paperclip weighs about 1 gram. So a gram is very, very, very light. It's very, very, very light. It's not heavy at all. Thank you. It's not heavy at all, right? Yeah. It's very light. It's very, very light. It's not heavy at all. So we measure grams for things that are very light like these paper clips. What about a piece of paper? Would we measure that with grams or kilograms, do you think? Grams. It's so light. What about your desk? Would we measure that with kilograms or grams? Probably with kilograms because it's heavy. Yeah. So we're going to take a look at our scale that we made the other day in our lesson. And we're going to weigh some different things to see how much a kilogram weighs. Okay, well, let's think about kilograms now. What's this? Water bottle. Do you think it's heavy or light?
Heavy.
Think about our paper clip. Is it heavier than the paper clip or lighter than the paper clip? Heavy. Okay, feel how heavy this is.
Oh.
It's a little heavy, not too heavy. Pass it to your neighbor.
W-A-T-E-R.
Good, W-A-T-E-R. So this is 1 liter of water. This is 1 liter of water. It's something we can still pick up with one hand. It's not too heavy, but it's definitely heavier than our paper clip, right? What do you think? Heavier than the paper clip or lighter than the paper clip? If it was on a scale, would it be like this with the paper clip?
No.
Would it be like this?
Yeah. No.
Would it be like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, it might be like that. Very good. Can I have a friend come up to the front of the room? Okay, Pat, come up. How much do you think this water bottle weighs?
Heavy.
How much? Do you think it weighs 10 kilograms? 20 kilograms? 7 kilograms? What do you think?
20.
20. How many do you think? 10. How many do you think?
9.
How many kilograms? 10. Okay. Can you weigh this? We have our scale.
5.
Put it on there.
5.
Can you come over here on this side? What does it say?
6. 5.
1. 1. This is 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram. Everybody feel it again. That's 1 kilogram.
1.
Okay. 1 kilogram. That's 1 kilogram.
Me.
You can go back. 1 kilogram. What's this? Rice. 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 How much do you think this rice weighs?
Not heavy.
Is it heavy or light?
Too light.
What do you like?
Heavy.
You think it's kind of heavy? Do you think this weighs more than the water bottle or less than the water bottle?
More than the.
What do you think? Feel it. Feel that in your hand. Think about if that weighs more or less than the water bottle. In fact, you can feel it at the same time. What do you think? Heavier or lighter? What do you think? Maybe. Pangpon, you think this one's heavier?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think? Which one's heavier or lighter? Heavier or lighter? Water bottle heavier. What do you think? Think this is heavier or this is heavier? Which one? You think this is heavier? Okay. Think the water is heavier? What do you think? Which one's heavier, the rice or the water?
Equal.
Think they're equal? Okay, what do you think? Do they feel about the same? Does one feel heavier, lighter? What do you think?
Equal.
Think they're about equal? What do you think? Are they about the same? Is one heavier, one lighter?
No.
Which one?
No.
Which one?
No.
What is this?
Water.
Water, you think the water is heavier?
No.
Okay, let's see.
Equal.
Okay, and Pot weighed our water bottle. How much did this water bottle weigh? 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram. Okay, I need these 3 friends to come on up here.
3 friends.
3 friends. You'll measure something else for us. Okay. Oop. Okay, Pangpon, can you hold our scale? Can you hold our scale? Okay, you're gonna do the rice. Can you squish it into a long, skinny shape so it can fit into our cup? Lakao, you can put the water on the blue side for us. Squish that in so it's a long, skinny shape. There we go. Squish it in. Okay, what do you think? Which one's heavier? The water. Is it heavier by a lot or a little bit? That's okay. Is it heavier by a lot or a little? Okay, is it heavier? Heavier by a lot or a little bit? What do you think? By a lot or just a little? Just a little bit, right? Yeah. They're almost equal, aren't they? Yeah, they're almost equal.
Equal.
Okay, let's see. Let's take out our water. And can you take out our rice? Okay, 2, come on up. Thank you, friend. Can you measure our rice for us on the scale? Put it on that scale. What do you think? Is it more than 1?
3.
It's closer to 3? Maybe around, hold on, don't press on it because that changes. A little bit more than 1? 2? Yeah, 2? Okay. So it's a little bit heavier. It's a little bit heavier. Good job. Good job. Okay, let's have some more friends come on up. Nadia or Prao, come on up. Do you want to hold our scale? Do you want to hold our scale? 2. Okay. Okay. So we are going to see how much rice it takes. Can you take the rubber band off? Take that rubber band off. We're going to see how much rice it takes. Hold on. To make it. Wait. We're going to do that. Just a minute. So let's put our water in the cup. We're going to see how much rice it takes to make them equal. And let's put it upside down. Nope. Well, I don't think we can fit all this water, so keep the lid closed. But I think it'll fit better in our cup if you put it in like that, okay? So put it in our cup like that. And Prao's gonna pour some rice into our cup. Do you think it'll take the whole bag? Will it take all of this bag? Maybe, let's see. You can just set it in there. Just put it in there. Just put it in there. You don't have to squeeze it, just leave it there. That's cool. Pour some rice. Just hold it. Just hold it. Nadia, can you hold the cup for Prao? There we go. Make sure that rice is going in there. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's stop there for a second. Let's stop there for a minute. What do you think? Which ones? Got it? Okay. Ooh. Which one's heavier still? Is the water still heavier? Okay, pour some more rice. You can keep our water there. You can keep our water in there. Got it? Okay. Okay, which one's heavier? Just put it in there. Just put it in there. Just set it in there. Okay, got it? Which one's heavier? Water. Okay, let's pour some more rice. Let's pour some more rice. Do you think that's enough? Or do you think we need more? Let's see. Let's see. Which one's heavier? Is the water still heavier? Which one's heavier? The water is heavier. Okay. Can we fit any more rice?
No.
A little bit? Okay. Can someone hold the cup for her? Can you hold the cup for Pro? Can you hold that cup for Pro? Got it? Okay. Okay, hold it up high. You're strong. Hold it up high. Hold it up high. Can you fit a little more rice? What do you think? Okay. Do you think they're going to be equal now?
No.
Which one do you think will be heavier? Still think the water will be heavier? Okay, let's find out. Okay, ready? Which one's heavier? Which one's heavier? Are they close? Yeah, they're kind of close. Okay, good job. Grab that water. Grab that rice. Okay. Who thinks they can find something in the classroom that weighs the same as the water? Can you look around the classroom and find something that weighs the same as this water? Look around. Find something that you think weighs the same as this water. Find something that weighs the same as the water. Okay. Good job, friends. Thank you. Okay, look around the room and find something that you think weighs the same as this water. Thank you. What do you think could weigh the same as this water? Same as this water, 1 kilogram. You think that water? Oh, I don't know. That looks pretty heavy. You want to try your bear? You can try it. Find something that you think weighs about the same as this water bottle. You have 10 seconds. 9 seconds. That's a good one. Okay. Okay. Do you think that weighs the same as this?
No.
No. Do you think it's heavier or lighter? Yeah, that one might weigh the same. Cool. Okay, got it? Here, hold this part. I'll put the cup in for it. Oh, that might weigh the same. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Okie dokie, friends. What's our first item? What's our first item? Okay. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay. Do you think that's heavier or lighter? Okay, friends. Everybody make a line. Make a line. We need to start over. We need to start over. And guys. Guys. Be quiet. Be quiet. Get ready so we can do our project so it can be fun. But we also need to think. We need to think about these questions. We need to take turns. Okay? So when you're in line, chew. Okay? Gotta be quiet. So small. Okay. Oh, uh-oh, our water is spilling. Okay. Hold on, guys. Guys, get ready. Because we're going to talk about each thing we do. So we're going to talk about it, and then we're going to weigh it. So we got to pay attention. Okay? Okay, what's your first item? What is that? A water bottle. What do you think? Will this be lighter or heavier than this one?
Lighter.
What do you think?
Lighter.
What do you guys think? Lighter or heavier?
Lighter.
Let's see. Put it in.
Lighter.
What do you think?
Lighter.
Lighter or heavier?
Lighter.
It's lighter. Okie doke. Is it smaller?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's smaller. Okay. It's smaller to that one. Show your water bottle. What do you think? Lighter or heavier than this water bottle? Equals?
Yeah.
Are they the same size?
Yeah.
Okay, let's find out. Put it in. Scoot this over to here.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Equal.
Are they equal?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're about equals. What do you think?
Equal.
Equals. Okay.
Equal.
That's same size. Very nice. Grab your water bottle.
None.
Very nice. Who's next? Your water bottle. What do you think? Heavier or lighter than this one?
Lighter.
You think lighter? Okay, let's check it out. Let's check it out.
Oh my.
Get it in there. Just put it in. You don't need that tape on there. That's okay. Smish it in there. What do you think? What do you think?
Lighter.
Lighter or heavier?
Lighter.
Is it a lot lighter or just a little lighter?
Lighter.
A lot lighter or just a little lighter?
Little
Just a little bit. Okay, grab your water. Okay, who's next? Do you think that is heavier or lighter? Heavier. Yeah? Okay. I don't think that one's going to fit. Too heavy. Too big. Probably heavier. Okay, next one. That one's too big. It won't fit in our cup. Next one. Next one. What do you think? Lighter or heavier?
Lighter.
Lighter. Let's see. What do you think? Lighter or heavier?
Equal. Equal. No equal.
Which one is lighter?
That.
Which one? Pink or blue?
Pink.
Is lighter? Okay, let's see. Come over here and help us. Come over here and help us measure.
One more time.
Yep. Let's see what.
One more time.
Okay, who's next? What's that? Some glue? Okay. What do you think? Lighter or heavier? Lighter. Let's find out. Ooh. What do you think? Which one's lighter? Pink or blue?
Pink.
Pink is lighter. Come on, which one's lighter?
Pink.
Yeah, which one's lighter?
Pink.
Which one's lighter?
Pink. Pink.
Pink. Very good. Okay. Nadia, what do you have? What's this? String.
String.
Heavier or lighter?
Lighter.
Lighter than our water bottle. Good job. Take your string. Very nice. Good job, friends. Thanks for joining us for our math lesson about measuring weight. So when we're measuring weight, what is this one? Lighter or heavier?
Heavier.
What's this one? Lighter. What about this?
Equal.
When they equal, when they weigh the same. Do we use grams to measure things that are very heavy?
Yeah. No.
What do we use grams to measure?
Kilogram.
What do we? Yeah, we measure kilograms, things that are heavy. What do we use grams for?
Light.
Very light things, like an elephant?
No.
Like a ruler?
No. Yeah.
Like a ruler's pretty light. Like a pencil?
Lighter.
What about a car?
No.
What should we use to measure a car?
Kilogram.
Kilograms. What about a piece of paper?
Light.
It's light, so what should we use to measure? Grams. What about a pencil sharpener? Grams or kilograms, do you think? Grams. Why?
This is light.
Yeah, because it's very light. It's very light. Good job, friends. Remember, we use grams to measure things that are light. And what do we use to measure heavier things?
Gram.
Grams and kilograms. Good job, friends. Can everybody say goodbye?
Goodbye.